Hey, it's Dr. Linda Davis, and today I want to walk you through this Excel table, and we're going to create a bar chart in this fourth column of this Excel table. So on the table we have student name, we have a column for the letter grades, and we have a column for the percentages. So we're going to introduce a new formula today, and I'm just going to go into this part, and I'm just going to say equals, and the formula goes like this: REPT, and then open parentheses, quotation marks, and you're going to put the letter I in there, capital I, and finish out those quotation marks, and then followed by a comma, and then the little formula inside that is just C2. You want it to take that percentage on that particular row, and you want to times it by 100. So use your asterisk and by 100, and then finish out your parentheses there. So that is the, let me move my mouse, that is the total formula there. You also see the formula up here in the formula bar as well. Okay, you want to hit enter on your keyboard, and you will notice these going all the way down, and you may or may not want to adjust the font. We had it on Apto 11, size 11. I'm going to change it to a different font. I mean, that one's okay, but I want to change it to Playbill, P-L-A-Y. It's a little bolder looking, and so we'll go with Playbill on that one. And or actually, I probably should have highlighted all of them and just change them all to Playbill, which they may be. Playbill, just for that column, size 11 is good. You don't want it too large, but if you just look now, by using that formula, you have created a bar chart that represents every percentage on every row. So you can see 94.5, that is a very wide bar chart. But if we look at the lowest percentage score, one of the lower ones is 68.1 down here, and that bar chart represents that percentage. So it's just a nice quick way. Humans are very visual, and instead of them looking at each individual percentage amount or the letter grade, they can just simply compare each row of the bar chart there. So just a nice handy way to handle that. So thank you for your time.